Behind the deafening roar of the grandstands lies a silent high-tech sanctuary. Welcome to the inner sanctum of a modern Formula One garage. Here, the air is sterile, and every surface is a masterpiece of carbon fiber and aerospace-grade alloys. From the complex buttons on a steering wheel to the glowing telemetry screens, this is where raw speed is distilled into pure science. The garage is the nerve center, a place where the chaos of the track is replaced by the precision of a surgical theater. At the heart of the operation is the center of operations, a massive wall of high-resolution monitors tracking every heartbeat of the car. Thousands of data points flow every second from digital sensors embedded deep within the car's chassis. Engineers monitor tire pressures, brake temperatures, and engine mapping in real time, looking for the smallest margin of improvement. To interface with the car's electronic control unit, or ECU, specialized fiber optic cables are used to ensure lightning-fast data transfer. This constant feedback loop allows the team to make split-second adjustments that can mean the difference between a podium and a defeat. When it comes to hardware, the tools are just as advanced as the car itself. Meet a high-speed pneumatic wheel gun. These guns deliver immense torque in milliseconds, capable of removing a wheel nut faster than the blink of an eye. For suspension setup, laser alignment tools ensure that every wheel is positioned with sub-millimeter accuracy. Even the tires live in a controlled environment. Electric blankets keep them at optimal temperatures before they even touch the track. Infrared cameras are used to scan the rubber, ensuring heat distribution is perfectly uniform across the entire surface. Under the bodywork lies the most complex machine ever built, the hybrid power unit. The MGU-K and MGU-H work in tandem to harvest energy from heat and braking, recycling power back into the drivetrain. Managing this heat is a constant battle. Specialized dry ice cooling systems are used to prevent the engine from melting during pit stops. Lubricants are another secret weapon. These ultra-pure fluids are engineered at the molecular level to reduce friction at 15,000 rpm. As the session nears, the garage transforms from a lab back into a launch pad. Every tool and sensor has done its job. It's a symphony of human skill and hidden technology. When these machines leave the garage, they carry the work of hundreds of engineers. This is where tech meets speed. Thanks for joining us inside the garage. Subscribe to CodeMechanic for more engineering deep dives.